Hi, my name is Chris Shannon, Enterprise and Entrepreneurship Manager, and I work across Ulster University with the Student and Graduate Enterprise team to help students and graduates develop new skills, explore ideas and opportunities, and launch new ventures. We're aware that many of you will have committed to developing yourselves as part of your New Year's resolutions. Maybe this is to build your skills, to challenge yourself, or to launch a new venture. I wanted to tell you about 3 ways that we can support you in doing this throughout 2021. First of all, it would be engaging in one of our enterprise and entrepreneurship workshops. These happen throughout the year and we deliver them in partnership with a range of partners across the UK to help you build new skills and make you more entrepreneurial in your approach to your work. The second would be by joining one of our entrepreneurship programs or experiential learning programs. These can help you work through the problem discovery process, the customer discovery process, the idea solution process, and also help build your skills by actually doing entrepreneurship and being entrepreneurial. And the third way would be by joining one of our innovation challenges. There are many challenges we face in the world today, and the innovation challenges walk you through the design thinking process to help you come up with solutions that could be turned into commercial or social ventures. We are here to help you develop new skills, explore ideas, and launch new ventures.